let's get right to it. We learned a lot about resistors in the last episode. In this episode, we're going to learn about some of the rules that apply to those resistors in a series DC circuit. The two rules are current remains the same throughout the entire circuit loop. That means that any place within the circuit, you will actually get exactly the same current. Now, voltage, on the other hand, changes after it goes through each load. So that means that as you go through the circuit, the voltage will drop as it goes through each resistor. There are two important mathematical formulas that apply to series circuits of resistors. We're going to talk about those today. The first one is the total resistance in a series circuit. So RT, which is the total resistance, equals R1 plus R2 plus R3 plus so on and so on until you have all the resistors that are in series in that circuit. The second formula we're going to investigate today is the voltage divider rule, which is voltage out equals voltage in times R2 over R1 plus R2. This is a very important formula if you want to pick voltages that you would like to use in a circuit. A series circuit is exactly what it says it is. It is a series of loads in which you must go through one before you get to the next load. And in this case, we will probably have either 2 or 3 resistors for our demonstration. And the load will pass through the first resistor, then it will next pass through the second resistor, and then it will pass through the third resistor. For our demonstration today, we're going to connect some resistors in series. And what I'd like to do is use a solder technique to connect them together, because that's going to give us our best connection that will give us the most accurate readings. So let's do a quick demonstration on some soldering techniques.